Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok videos. So go for your TikTok account, then go for your profile and select that video which you want to delete. So I'm selecting this video and go for here at the last option, three dot option, click on it and just swipe and you can see here a delete option. Click on it and go for delete and you can see it's done. Your video has been deleted. See, there is no another video here. So guys, this is how you can delete TikTok videos. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.